Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the trending effect on CapCut and how you can apply that trending doppelganger effect in CapCut. So here I've already added a video, and to find the trending effect you can just go to the effect. And in here you can find the doppelganger effect in the body effects. So here you can find on the trending there is a luminous doppelganger effect that you can use to your clips. Just click on the effect and it will be applied like this. And if you want, you can also adjust the color intensity, horizontal size, and also twist. For example, you want to change the color, you can just swipe it to the left or right and find the right color. I'm going to use this one, the red color, and you can also adjust the intensity. And after that, you can just click on the check icon and make sure that it applies to all of your clips. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.